Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a non-profit with GoFundMe, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Starting a non-profit can be an impactful way to make a difference in your community. The first step is to define your non-profit's mission. Think about the specific cause you want to address and who will benefit from your efforts. Next, conduct thorough research on similar organizations. This will help you identify gaps in services and potential partnerships. Once you have a clear mission and understanding of the landscape, it's time to develop a business plan. Outline your goals, target audience, and funding strategies. After crafting your plan, you'll need to choose a name for your nonprofit. Ensure it reflects your mission and isn't already in use. Next, register your nonprofit with the appropriate state agency. This typically involves filing articles of incorporation and paying a fee. Once registered, apply for a Federal Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This step is essential for tax purposes and opening a bank account for your nonprofit. Now, create a board of directors. Select individuals who are passionate about your mission and can offer diverse perspectives. Draft your bylaws to outline how your nonprofit will be governed. With your board in place, it's crucial to apply for tax-exempt status. This usually involves submitting Form 1023 to the IRS. The approval process can take several months, so be patient. While waiting for approval, start building your online presence. Create a website that clearly communicates your mission and goals. This will serve as a hub for donations and volunteer recruitment. Now is the perfect time to set up a GoFundMe campaign. Sign in to GoFundMe and select Start a Fundraiser. Choose a relevant category to ensure your campaign reaches the right audience. Craft a compelling title and description for your fundraiser. Share your nonprofit story and explain the impact donations will make. Utilize high-quality images or videos to engage potential donors. Set a funding goal based on your initial needs and planned expenses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.